is John Manfredi. I'm at location of my project here in Des Moines, and this will be this year's summer Revit project. We're going to reconstruct this entire project that I'm currently building here in Des Moines with my team. You see it behind me here, 3-story townhome development. So we'll be building this from start to finish over our 8-week summer course. Registration begins in 4 short weeks. Thank you. See you soon. Hello, it's John again. Before I launch my Revit training class in June, I thought I'd do something a little bit different this year. I'm going to offer a free Revit training bootcamp, essentially a crash course. So if any of you out there are on the fence and you're not sure if this program's a good fit for you, wondering how complicated is the software, what is Revit, I'm going to give you several hours of instruction to get you started with the program. If you then decide that you need to dig a little deeper, I'll open the registration for the full-blown 8-week Revit for Interior Designers course. And by the way, I'll also offer a raffle, so one of you lucky members out there will be able to take the class free of charge. So if this sounds interesting, feel free to register below, and we'll see you in a few weeks. Thank you.